Hi everyone, welcome to the series of quick report generation using Excel. Today let's generate a two exam types Mont Blanc report using Excel sheet. So here's a sample Excel I have and here is the report card which has been generated using this Excel. So here as you can see there is a school or institute information at the top first and then student information. All you need to do is you just need to enter or replace your information in this Excel so that this kind of report can be generated. So here is the school or institute information, the school name, address, report name, term name, and here's the logo. And there is a theme as well. There is a royal blue theme right now, but if you wish to change the theme, then you can copy and paste one of these themes to the theme cell. Now let's move to student details. Here I have only 5 students, but you can have any number of students. And here are the some student details like grade name, division, term name, roll number, date of birth, and attendance details. So here are some student details and the attendance details are below. Here are some attendance details which we have entered over here. Now let's move further to the subject wise grade structure. Here are some subjects and the subject features and the grade boundaries for different subjects. And those grade boundaries are printed over here below the subject results. Now the subject results. Here you can see there is a roll number, student name, exams, formative and summative, total, grade, target grade, effort score, and comments for each subject. So enter such information in the cells, and these information or these marks will be printed as it is in the report card. Now enter this information for other subjects as well. Let's move to the student comment. Here I have copied and pasted the roll number and the student name from the student sheet, and you need to enter the comment in front of the student. So this comment will be printed as a class teacher's comment over here. Now the signature. Here is the digital signature, the signature holder name and the designation. And here in the signature page you can see the same information, the name, designation and digital signature. You can change the name, the designation, and you need to replace their digital signature in this cell. So head on to generate such report card to EduCloud and feel free to contact us on support@educloud.app for further information.